Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding with Fun. Welcome back to Shopping Manager playlist. So today's plan is to continue work with this project. We have completed almost 80% of it. The only thing left now is we have to work on a shopping list page where admin can filter different products according to the shops, and he can just filter different things and he can just see how many quantities they have in all of their stores. That's the plan for today. This page will only include the reading of the data, like it will make requests to fetch products or fetch shops, but it won't be creating anything or it won't be updating anything. It just a view to see different products in by filtering in different ways. So that's the plan so far, and I don't know, that's the main thing we have to do today. It will be a bit simple. The only thing that we need to figure out is the filtering the products. That's the plan. Okay, so good morning everyone, good evening, good afternoon according to your timeline. Time zone, sorry. Okay, and let me just make sure everything is good. Also, please let me know if audio or video is not good. I'm using a bit different settings today, so it might be causing some problem. Okay, so I will need a Chrome. So okay, sorry, it's here. Let's open our project. We will open client, and let's go to the server and run our server and run dev. Let's go to client. And that will open our server. Feel free to drop any questions you have. I will be glad to help you and answer those questions. Oh no. Hey Mr. Bitch, welcome to the stream. I just started. I'm just setting all things up. It's not working. That is weird. Like this overlay on the stream, like the subscribe count and at the bottom of my webcam, that is being fetched on localhost. So I'm not sure. Oh, wait a minute. I close this. If I go to, no, that's not an issue. For some reason it's broken for only this project. It is working for my other projects. Not sure why. I'm getting a call. Just a sec. Oh. Sorry, it was a spam call. Okay. Okay. So here is our local host, which is not working. We will be just using this one, and let's go to server and get our environment file. Let's grab the admin password. We are logged in. There is a product. Nice. Let's add different products so that we can filter out on our shopping list project. sorry, shopping list page. Okay, and the product name is Pepsi and price is 99. Image, it doesn't have any image. Let's go with fake shop. Save. And it broke, I guess. Error validation, image is not allowed to be empty. It shouldn't be though, I don't think so. Image was required. Let me look at the server code first. It should be inside the products validator. Oh, okay, I'm saying it's required. You know what, I will not say that it's required. Or should I? I'm not sure. Hey there, Upam, welcome to the stream. And hand sanitizers. Yeah. Should I? Yeah, it shouldn't be required. They might not have an image URL for that one, so. And it shouldn't be inside, like it shouldn't be required inside model as well. Yeah, it's not. Okay, and now our request should run. Not added. Let's create a new product. Not Pepso, it's Pepsi. 1.99. We don't have an image. We will just do it with fake shop. And let's just click save. It worked. Oh, it says unprocessable entity. Why is that? So the image has been changed here, right? It has been restarted, so that shouldn't be issue. So let's look at our create route. So here it is. Oh yeah, sometime we might not have this image thing. So if we have anything, something like validate valid product request.valid product.image, if we have that, then we will add that to the new product object. Otherwise we will just not add that to the object, so our database will not have any image. So let's try it again. Let's go with Pepsi 1.99. This is why you run you write test, you know. Okay, it still says unprocessable entity. Sorry, my phone is making too much noise today. Okay, so let's look at network and this create route, and let's look at the stack. Okay, it says image is not allowed to be empty at product validator, line 17. Oh, product validator, sorry, it's this one, line 17 here. But I have changed the schema, man. if it exists, then it will be just an enjoy.string. This will be C1.99. Yeah, it still says it's an unprocessable entity. You know what, let me kill this one, start it again. Let's try this one. Let's go to API, base API URL, and change it to, let's see if that works. Pepsi 199. It's fake shop. Okay, click save. Still says that it's not allowed to be empty, and it's inside the product validator, line 17. Why is it not seeing the change that I just made? Oh, wait a minute. Let's go to the network and let's see what's the payload. I think it's because we are passing an empty string, which we shouldn't. So go to the products. And let's go to our action, create product inside our store, product module, create product, and if payload product dot image is not a thing, then delete payload. Oh, how can you delete a property from object? I know there is a delete keyword. Yeah. Delete new product. Oh, sorry, it's a payload product dot image, right? And that's, in that way it will remove that image thing from the payload. Click save. Yeah, it is working now. Cool. And the issue is that we were sending empty string, and which is not the right thing according to our validator, so that's why. Default. Okay, let's go to icon finder and find some icon like a default for the products. So if product doesn't have any image, it will show something like a fake product or something. So for that one, let's grab, this makes sense, right? Product, P for product, and 64 pixel would be good enough. this should do it. So let's just download the PNG. We open it on the Finder. Let's go to the project, assets. Let's copy that here. Okay, and I will just say that default product. So we just need to make a simple change in our product view. So does item.image has anything? Then just pass that item.image. Otherwise we will say that assets. I think that's how we write it. Default product dot, it's a PNG. See if that works. Line of 116. Okay, let's divide it in separate lines, and that will remove that error. That's not a thing as well. Let's go to the application and see where are we storing that image. I used to do this in the past, but I totally forgot how to do it again. It's just JS. Do I just import the PNG file? Oh yeah, so if I just say that if new product.image, then it will automatically check that if, so that thing will fail if it's an empty string as well. So we don't really need to make that check. It will just work. Oh, what I was doing is, okay, yeah, view image path assets, static assets with view. Okay, at it says at, okay, at slash, that should do it. Okay, so, oh yeah, I am using the wrong path here, so that's why. So right now I'm inside the views, and that should do it. No, yeah, let's use at symbol and that will work. Oh, is it PNG? Okay, yeah, that's a PNG. Default product score product dot PNG. Yeah, that's an assets, that's the right path. Yeah, it should be inside the assets folder, and I'm not sure why it's not working. Okay, let's see how they are saying in the documentation. That's for the CLI itself. Asset URL handling. Okay, it just need to be a relative path to that product. So we are right now here, products.view. We will go one step back. So we are at source folder, right? Then we will go to assets, and assets as default product.png. It might be a cache issue. Let's try to put it in public and then try to change it as like this. Yeah, that works. Nice. Let's grab a small one, like 32 with one, and that will work. We don't really need that big icon. So I can just go to Coding with Fun, Shopping Manager, Client, Public. Yes, replace it please. And oh, it's a CSS thing. Oh, okay. So yeah, we didn't really need that small. It looks bad. So what I can just do is go to the products, go to the styles. Where is the image? Okay, yeah. Height can be 50 pixel and margin can be like 10 pixel. Does that look good? Is it good? I'm not sure. It's fine, I guess, right? Oh yeah, we can use vector, but it's fine. Okay, yeah, let's start working on the shopping list. You already got a break. So how was the week, guys? How was the weekend? Okay, it looks like there's a request in Discord. Okay, that's just a meme reaction. Okay, and oh, you have been playing Minecraft. That's nice. And this weekend I was looking at some things related to how to write a code which can be shareable between different products. I'm still looking into this things and how we can do it. I found out a framework called VueJS. I haven't looked into this much yet, but this framework is to make it easy like it kind of a state management system, something like Vuex, but it's not dependent to Vue.js or React or Angular or React Native. So the thing is, with this framework, you can create your core library which handles everything, and then you can just import this core library to your Vue.js product and use it as a store, something like it is a Vuex store we use in our project. The great thing about this one is you can just use the same code base, same business logic in your React Native product as well, or any other project you want to make. Yeah, kind of a library or API. And it was created by Jeremy Pine and Notify team. He's the guy who is founder of Notify. Notify is just a application which will oh, the links are not working. Oh, okay, maybe. No worries. Notify.me is a product that Jeremy Pine is working on his Twitch streams, and it's just a way so that creators can interact with their audiences. So for example, if you are following someone, or if you're following me on notify.me, then I can send you requests if like I am going live on this platform or other platform, right? And this way, like my whole viewership, like my whole audience I can fetch them to, or I can call them to any platform where I'm streaming. It's a really cool project. Maybe a framework made by Harsh Patel one day. Yeah, sure. And this is the framework that they are using on the project, on the Notify, and it's really a big project, and it's a real world. So this framework, I think it's good, I guess. I'm still looking into the things, and yeah, I am planning to make my own website. I don't want to share many things about that, but yeah, this website will be a somewhere between social network plus Stack Overflow plus documentation. I can define it completely right now, but yeah, that's the website's whole idea for now. And I'm also planning to do vlogs on those, like when I'm working on the project, I will try to make vlogs. Sorry. Okay, so let's go to the thing, and yeah, sure. I am planning to do something like that so that I can get some testers who can test my project. And I'm not sure that, like, I don't think so it will be completed in soon enough. Like, it will take a long time. There are quite a few things that I still have to learn on that one. So yeah, let's copy paste our products view as a shopping list one, because most of the code will be same. That's shopping list, and let's go to our router index. And what was the path for that one? It's shopping dash list. And it's just say that shopping list. We will import, it will also say shopping dash list, and for some reason auto completion is not working. Weird. Maybe you will have finished your degree by that time. Oh, I will be finishing my degree this December. So yeah, it will be long after that one. And to be honest, I don't think so I'll be using anything that I'll be learning like that I have learned in this my college degree. So yeah, that's interesting things to know. Okay, so yeah, we are saying products. Yeah, we just need to modify this shopping list. Okay, let me just close the files and let's open our shopping list. Keep all those things as it is. Yep, it does make sense. It says products, right? We don't need save button. We don't need new product, so we can remove all of this code. It's a template. Oh no, it's a V dialog. Oh, I can just do this one. Huh. That makes sense. We need that one. We don't need an input, so can remove all those things, because by default it will just show as a text fill, and that's okay. We don't need any actions either. So it's really simple. Imagine you use Vim for this. Oh no. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, we don't need, oh yeah, we will need a store names. Shop names make sense. Product image, product quantities. No need for actions. We don't need edited index or edited item or default item or edited quantities. We don't need a form title either. Yeah, we need all three states. We don't need to watch this one either. When mounted, let's fetch products, let's fetch shops, and for each shop let's push the name. So yeah, that makes sense. Edit item, we don't need this one either. We don't need delete item, we don't need close one, we don't need save, we don't need edit quantity handler, we don't need save quantities either. So yeah, the code is much cleaner now. And we can remove this product input as well, because why is it still showing as a, oh, it says it's a products route. It's a shopping list, then it will show it as just a text field. Nice. Oh yeah, I would definitely cry. The thing is with the Vim is like, it's not for everyone. Like if you are getting good with it, then it does make sense. Otherwise, if it is giving you hard time, then it doesn't really make sense to use Vim or spend time behind it if you're already really good with VS Code or any other text editor. That's my store, okay? My store doesn't sell Pepsi. Yeah, but like I looked at the videos, and you really need to set those things up, and like that is what it will take. It will take a long time to set all those things up. And what I see it is like, when you're setting up your Vim, and if you're going from VS Code, like you will be making your Vim like almost 80 to 90% look like just your VS Code. and it doesn't really make sense to me personally. I'm not saying that others should not use it or they are wrong. I'm just saying that it doesn't make sense to me myself. Like, why do spend so much time learning Vim if you can just do the same thing in the VS Code as well? Okay, so everything looks good so far. We don't really need anything else. Let's go to Vuetify docs. Vuetify data table filter example. Wow, nice. Achieve multiple filtering in data table component. Let's look at that. This is what we want. Nice. Oh, okay, you are using Vim. Nice. Then I might have hurt you in some places. Okay, and okay, that's a really long solution. They might have filter as well, like some kind of filter on the examples. And it also makes sense to make it look condensed, right? So if I just go to the data table and if I just pass dense, because it's a shopping list and it won't affect because of our images. So let's try changing that also. Let's make it like 30 pixel. Oh, it's a products route. Yeah, that looks a bit cleaner. And let's remove the margin. Yeah, that's fine, I guess. So let's go to the products. Let's add another one. Pepsi Diet. It has the same price. And they also buy it from fake shop. Save. Go to shopping list. Looks nice. That fake shop is not working. I wished it would be working by default, but yeah, let's just search Pepsi and they can see all the Pepsi products. Nice. It has visual line and visual block mode. Vim is good for teaching you how to type faster. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's the point. Like I have seen every Vim user that it's really faster in compared to any Electron based or any GUI IDE. And yeah, that does make sense. But personally for me, it's like it's taking too much time for me to understand or learn how to use Vim, so I'm just avoiding it right now for now. Okay, they don't have any filter examples. Nice. They have the sort option. I understand that one. Okay, let's see how they have done this project. Yeah, then we can create a select as well, and then we have this method called filter author, and and let's look at the filter author and this dot filters. Okay, yeah, search or edit by. This multi-filters dot update filters. Maybe it's because Vic dev that use framework would find Vim annoying because they. Oh, that's true. Yeah, it depends on your use case, like how you. It heavily depends on your how you write the code. You might like it or you might be start avoiding it. The thing that we can do is we can create a temporary products, and no, that won't work. Okay, as a search they are passing filters, and filters is a object for search or added by, right? And custom filter, this dot multi filter item filter register filter search added by and items. And where are you passing this custom filter? Okay, yeah, here we are passing it as a prop to data table. So should I just like copy paste the code and it will just work, I guess? Let's see. Don't tell me I'm copy pasting it. Okay, and let's just fix auto fixable problems. Nice. Initialize the filter class. Okay, we are setting that up. We are registering the filter. Okay, yeah, let's call it filter items. And we would return it. Was it giving any error? Oh, maximum length. Okay, then I can say set like this, and that will avoid that error. Okay, and let's look at here, and not in camel case. Oh yeah, that is. Should we care about that or not? What was okay? and I can just say that ESLint disable camel case. Isn't that how it works? And we will just enable it here. So item.added by .to lowercase is equal to added by .to lowercase. I won't be using Vim. So if you have looked at the if you have looked at Rhythm, it says I will be either using something like TextPad or Notepad, or I will be using Vim. So either one of them. I would love to use Vim though, but like the only thing I know right now is just how to move cursor. Nothing else. So I don't think so that will be a fun, or that will be anything like, then I won't be able to do anything like any code, right? You know, I'm just be like trying to move my cursor around there. Okay, yep, that's the search one. That's good. And he has a filters, so let's add that one also as a prop. Search, and let's change it to shops, right? And then what we can do is we can just say that register filter called shops. Okay, then item.shop. Okay, item, so each shop has, let's look at the Vuex. Go to inspect and view, go to app, we mean not the products, go to the shopping list. Okay, yeah, router view. Oh yeah, it's because I have named it as products, that's why. Yeah, it will change now. Okay, let's go to the products. Each product has a shops object which contains an array of an object, and if the name includes the thing, right? Because the code he has, it is a select function. So items will be shops. Let's copy this one. This will make sense to put it here. And it will connect to, okay, what is our that function is, okay, we did I, oh, I think I removed it, that's why. It will be modeled to Okay, yeah, it doesn't need to be model with anything. It will, we are calling a change, we are calling a method on change once on change. So the label would be select shops, chips, makes sense. Shop.shops, that also makes sense. Value would be ID, text would be name. Okay, and now inside our function, I'm guessing that, so if shop.trim, yeah, if there is an empty string, then just return all the items. Otherwise, if then go to the filter and we will get an item. Item.shops is an array. So I think we need, for each shop, and we'll just say the return value is equal to shop dot underscore id is equal to shops, because I think that shops will return a value, and value is bind to underscore id. Let's see if this works. And we are saying that search is filters and custom filter is custom filter. This might work. Duplicate attribute search. Okay, and I'm guessing it will break. On line 1 and animal on the last one. And boom boom, no error. True. Okay, we are getting errors. Failed for prop search, invalid prop, type check. Let's refresh it and see where we are getting errors. Shopping list. Expected string with value object got object. Okay, so it will work on with strings only. Vuetify data table custom filter. Or what we can do is Yeah, we can assign it some with a computed property which will return data according to the what value we have inside our models. So for example, if we will return a item, like we will return a product, if the search word is equal to the shop's name or it's equal to the product name. Does that make sense? Sorry for that. Should we go with that idea? Should we just create a computed property which will return data, like which will check if we have anything, any value inside the modeled state, and it will return the value accordingly. Sorry about that. Yeah. Should we go with that one? So that's bad. I'm really sorry. I really need a mixer, like audio mixer, so that I can easily control my volume, but it's too expensive, and if I want to buy that one, I also want to upgrade my mic and buy something which has XLR input, something like this one. Not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah, I really want to, so that I can just, oh, it's a fire alarm. Yeah, so the fire alarm in our apartment is too sensitive, so if we are making something, and especially something like chapati or something, and it can be burned, right? That's how we make that thing. So it thinks that something is burning and it just starts alarming. Yeah, let's go with that idea. Let's remove all this filter thing. Okay, that's good. Let's create a computed property called filtered items, and let's also go to and the search is bound to a string, right? View date. Okay, we can do something else also. We can, so right now it's model to search, the search field, and we can also create a selected shop, which is an object, I guess, and we can add that combo thing here. And if we model to selected shops, let's make it shops, and it will be ID because we are just grabbing the value as an underscore ID from that one, so that's why. Solo and multiple, that's okay. I don't think so we will need it multiple, so you can just make it shop, because if we are just filtering product, we are filtering for just one shop, so that's why. So let's first of all see what we are getting as a model. Okay, filter item should return something, so for now just return product dot products. Okay, it should be this dot product, and inside our items we will say use the filtered items. Go to shopping list, it has a filter items. Let's if we select something, superstore, and I don't think so, yeah, we can just select one thing. Nice. Go to the view and products, should be shopping list, and I'm not sure why it's saying that, but oh, I think, oh yeah, because of I undo the changes, so that's why. Okay, let's go to the filtered items. That's nice. And let's go to selected shop. Oh, it will return an object. Nice. So let's make it object so that we get an idea that it will get an object, not a string. And if I type something in search, oh yeah, you know what, let's just skip the multiple thing. Oh, why are we getting any error? Selected items.map is not a function. What? Expected an array got. Would that solve the issue? Yeah, it will change it. Nice. I added that because like with this, without the multiple one, like if you select something, then you can unselect it. That's why. There is a thing in OBS that suppresses loud voice. Yeah, but I tested it and I like, I'm still like learning this audio setup thing in OBS. What do you mean by grid view? I'm not sure. Hey Shivani, welcome to the stream. Okay, so that is working, and if I select something, let's go to view, let's go to products, and selected shop is an object, area of an object, and if I type something in search, we are getting in search. Nice. So what we can do is, first of all, if there is no such thing or selected shop, it should be shops again. Let's go to shops and change it here as well. Dot length is equal to 0. Then we will just return the product itself. Otherwise, what we will do is return this dot product dot products filter. We will get product. Oh, I see. But the thing is, they want to see the quantity as well, and this will make sense. And we can, like, user can always change the limit as well. So if there are too many products, or if there are too less, like too, like what's the word for that, too less products in the page, then they can always change their value, and it won't refresh the whole page, so it will make sense. Let's make it call it product, and so if product dot name includes search to lowercase, includes, then return the product. That's how filter works, I guess. Right, we are returning. Let me look at the filter again. JavaScript array filter. Hey Edgar, welcome to the stream. The live is yeah, it's so once my live stream ends, you can always find streams on my channel. So yeah. Yeah, thanks Mr. PhD for saying that. Yeah, I have this plan where I will be creating a shorter version of this project so that everyone can get a reference of what I did in this whole project. It will be like each episode will be long, like almost 20 to 30 minutes, and the only downside of those videos would be that no doubt it will be shorter, but it will cut out some parts where I talk with people. That's an interesting thing, and or where I try to solve something, or if I'm just trying referencing some things, and things like that will be cut out from that one. So it won't be a experience where someone is trying to build something and trying to solve the problem as well. So it will feel like a tutorial rather than a raw coding stream. But yeah, even though I will upload my videos like as a episodes, but I will still keep my streams on my channel, so you can always find that. Yeah, let me know if that makes sense. And you can also find a link in the description for the playlist of the shopping manager project, and that playlist includes all the streams that I have done in the past for this one, so that you can look it from the start. It should be Boolean. Okay. Then we will just return true if product dot name dot to lowercase So let's factor a bit, and if product name includes, and let's loop to the selected shops. If shop dot name, okay, if product name dot, oh, wait a minute. What I can do is that simply if product dot shops includes, does include work or find index of, I guess. What I'm trying to achieve is, let me show it. So if I have an object, test name is just okay. Oh, I can't spell even I can correctly spell my name. Okay, so that's an object, and test array. Oh, oh man, test array is equal to test object, and there is another object called name John. It's this one. Okay, close it, close the array. Now we have test array which has two objects. So let's try to find index of test object. Type error, object is not a function. What? You substituted the wrong thing, lol. Okay, also for which one? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what you're saying. JavaScript find index of array of objects. Oh yeah, that was the one, I guess. Dot index of test object, and nice, cool. So yeah, it is written in the index as well. So if I try to find something which doesn't exist, it should return -1. Yep, nice. So what I can do is shops dot, okay, product dot shops index of we have multiple shops. I can just loop through it. So the selected shops dot for each if shopped. So okay, now we can do is return value is equal to product dot shops dot index of the shop is not equal to -1. And at the end we will just return the return value. Okay, yeah, it should be a let, not constant. Search is not defined. Okay, this should be this dot search. Product name dot include should be the product name dot index of is not equal to -1. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. I think it was for string as well. Let's see if at least if this works. Yeah, it is not working. Nice. Oh yeah, we need to. We will need to update it, right? And how can we do that? Think we can call like on change and like up update filtered products or filter items. No, it won't work. Okay, let's create a method for that one, and this dot filtered items. Maybe we can call it as a function. I'm guessing we can. No. Update computed property view. Okay, yeah, refresh computed property view. Yeah, we can definitely use regex. Yeah, it will make more sense. What I want to do is how can we force the recompilation of the computed property? Computed property not updating, that might have more context. Yeah, I'm not sure how to recompile, how to force it to recompile. Okay, computed versus watched property. When you have some data that needs to change based on some other data, it is tempting to overuse watch, especially if you are coming from English. However, it is often better idea to use a computed property rather than an imperative watch callback. Consider this example. Okay, yeah, they are saying that we should be using computed. Let's try to make it an object that is a function. Let's remove that one for now, and it's model to selected shops. Nice. So refresh it, go to shopping list. Cannot read property search of undefined. Why is that? The thing is, it's not even finding the search. It just says the search is undefined, and I think I'm guessing because this is the issue, because our competitive property is trying to find something which is like, for example, it is running before we and the mounted property. I don't think so. That should be the issue. Okay, our filter items. Line 51. It's line 95. This dot search is, yeah, it's not even finding the search. So I think it's trying to call this function before our state has been defined in our function. Yeah, okay, so I think I defined it in wrong way, so that's why. Okay, so if I make any changes here, it doesn't, it's not doing anything. Oh, okay, it is working now. It was because we added or. It should be and our filter is not working properly. It just says -1. Let's go to view and find what are the selected shops. It's an object, created name and everything. And if we go to product, dot shops, which is also an object, it's the same. Oh, okay, I think it's because the reference are different, and the index of is only working if those objects are with the same reference. Yeah, that's the issue, I'm guessing. So what we can do is product shops dot for each so return value will be shop dot underscore id is equal to product shop dot underscore id. And this will work. So if, oh, it's not working. So if I should go to shopping list, superstore, no, it's an object comparison thing, maybe. Yeah, you can do map.json.stringify. Yeah, then it will make a string, right? So product shop is it has the same ID. Why it's not working then? Let's also log the return value. Okay, it's just a return value true, false, false, false. We can do that, but then we will be looping through that array, and then we'll be converting into JSON stringify. So either way we are making a loop, right? So we can just do it in this way and it will be much simpler. I'm not sure why it's not returning proper things. Let's look at the filter, and I might be missing something. We're getting a value and we are just returning if it matches the case, right? I'm not sure why it's so. Okay, we are filtering here, and if those values are if we don't have any filter, then we are returning it's the right thing we are doing here. That works. Let's try to see if the search function works. Yeah, that works. The only thing is not working, the shop thing. Oh, wait a minute, we can also do something like product shops. Let's go here. Let's comment all this code. This dot product dot oh, not this dot, it's just a product dot shops dot includes the shop. I don't know if it worked. Yeah, it false. It just says false for all of them. I thought we can use like includes for this array as well. Oh, I see. So if I understand what the issue is. So if it's an if return value is true, then we will just break the loop. And static break, we need that though. Unsyntactic. Okay. Okay, do we just say return? Yeah, that's the thing, that it overrides into false. So yeah, we can do something like, if the return value is false, only then check with this one, otherwise we won't make any changes, right? And that will solve the issue. No, so it's working for, like, for fake shop it is working. If I go to products and let me remove the fake shop from it, click save, go to shopping list. Okay, so it is working if, oh okay, it is working this way, but it is not working if if the product has multiple shops. Huh. So let's look at the code. So first of all, we will select it, we will look at selected shops, and for each shop, and which will be usually just one shop, and if for, then we will loop through the product shops. And if the product shop ID and the shop's ID matches, then we will make it true. The next time, if product has multiple shops, then oh, you know what, they will be buying product from only one store, like they are not buying from two different stores, like two different shops. So if they are just creating, they will just, oh, why is it saying the undefined? Huh? Oh no, it will break everything. So if a product has two shops, if we go to shopping list, so it will go for a first product, and it finds that shop ID is equal to product shop ID. Okay, that's not working. I'm not able to understand this logic here. Not sure why. Or I can just simply make it, the thing is, we are not expecting them to filter products with two shops. Sorry, what are you saying? Where I should return it? It is saying true for all of them, which it shouldn't. So we are looping through product. Yeah, we can just return true the right. Yeah, I understand. Let's alternate the loop and let's see if that works. For each product shop, so if product shop has the same ID as shop in any shop in selected shops, let's comment this code. Oh yeah, we will need a variable for that one. Make the first for each reduce. I will have to look at reduce. Okay, so yeah, it will reduce to number or something. I haven't used reduce much, so I'm not sure how to do it. Will you be able to share some code or something? I also need a break for 5 minutes. Let me first understand what we are doing here. So we will get an select array of an object, which will say how many products, how many shops we have selected. Now we want to loop through those shops. Now we want to loop through the product shops and see if the product has any shop which is same as any shop in the selected shops. And if it is, then we are returning true in this filter array thing. You know what the thing is, they shouldn't be doing it, they shouldn't be choosing multiple shops, and that's not even a use case that I was planning to do. Let me just remove that. And what we will do is that if product dot shops for each product shop, if we just return product shop underscore id is equal to the selected shop underscore id, and I will just say that ESLint and oh, okay, we will be assigning the value to return value. Assign this thing, and we will only do that if return value is false, and we are returning return value at the end. Let's grab this here. Oh, it's my product shop.id. Cannot read property length. Yeah, it should be just refresh it, go to here, selected shops is not defined. Okay, it should be selected shop. Clear it, refresh it, go to shopping list. Why is it saying oh, it's a empty object, that's why. So it should be null rather than an object. Yeah, then I can just select superstore or fake shop. Let's go to view products, Selected shop is an object, nice. But it's not updating our filtered items because that's an object and it can define, it has changed, right? Okay, let me just look at the okay. Yeah, okay. Shop order reduce AB. Not sure if that B thing is work, and we can definitely not can do the shop thing. So let's try doing that. Shops one would be selected shops, right? Selected shops dot reduce otherwise product dot shops dot includes B and default value is false. Something like this, right? And we just return those value. Let's just change it to return value. We can assign, can we assign it to return value? And return the return value. In case you can't, just return that entire thing. It's a boolean. Yeah. Dangling, where is the dangling thing? Oh, it's this one. It's still not working. Shopping list. Produce a boolean. Okay, reduce thing, produce a boolean. Oh yeah, so I think I will get a value here, right? Return value is equal to like this, huh? I think I did it right. And I will just return this thing. Oh man, it's still not working. Let's log the return value. Okay, go to console, superstore, fake shop. It's not even calling it. go to view and products. We have selected shops as an object. And I'm not sure why it's not assigning any value. And I'm also not sure why it is logging the return value while I'm returning true or false here. It shouldn't come down to this code. If we go to shopping list, if I type C, it prints twice. It's working, but it's calling it twice. Line 123, where it's logging the output. It prints here once, but it prints return value twice. It's really weird. Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, there are two products here. I understand. I just realized that. So let's try to figure out why the shops thing is not working. It is printing here. Why? Why is it printing here? Let's go to view products and search term is blank. Okay, it should be constant. Search term is this thing. So if search term and then product name includes the search term, at least something is happening. Okay, yeah, it was blank, that's why. So if I try, so the basic search is working, that's nice. Let's clear this one, and if I try to, it just says return value false. Yeah, so now we have to figure this one out. Let's log the result as well. It just says every time that result is false. I think again it's the issue of this includes thing. So I think I had that open here. So let's create another object called test object 2, where I will spread the test object. And then let's try to find test object 2. It says -1. It's the same one because, but it's a different reference. That's why it's the includes thing it's not working. So what we can do is, if A is true, then just return true. Otherwise, shops.forEach shop resulted false, and if result is oh yeah, but but we have to loop through the code, so that's why I'm doing this one. So let's skip that one, and if result is true, then we'll just break the loop. Not sure. So if result is false, then only check if shop.id is equal to b.id, right? And can assign it to the result. And then here I will just return result. Okay, it just says that we don't need else. Am I doing it right? Let me know. Disable next line. Okay, and at this point we will have the result and we will just return it. Let's see if that works. So refresh it, go to shopping list, superstore. Okay, fake shop, that didn't work. Oh, I think because Coca-Cola also has the fake shop. Let's go to products. Yeah, let's remove the fake shop. Click save, go to shopping list, fake shop, then it's finally it is working. So if I'm searching Pepsi, but if I've selected shop superstore, then it shouldn't. Okay, then now we have to figure some things out. Yeah, rather than returning true, let's change the return value to true. So if superstore is selected, and if I try to Pepsi, it shouldn't return anything. Yeah, now we have another issue. So let's understand this one. Let's remove this code, we don't really need it. And thank you so much, Mr. PH, for this reduce thing. It was really helpful. Let's call it shop result. and router right around here, return value is equal to return value and the shop result. So if I selected superstore, shop result, it will be false otherwise. Return value true, then do this, otherwise just return the shop result. If I selected shop store, then it is showing the product. That is working nice. If I try to do Pepsi, it is not working. And selected shops dot length is not equal to 0. So first of all, if selected shops dot length is not equal to 0, then it means that they have selected some shops. So then we can do return value, and then we can fetch the result of return value and shop result. Else the return value would be just the return value, right? Then they haven't selected any shops, they are just doing search thing. Return value, otherwise return this thing. Oh, I can make it much simpler by doing this. So if I'm trying to search without selecting any shops, it is working. If I select superstore, it just shows for that store. If I select multiple, then it shows all the products, and if I try Pepsi, it shouldn't show anything. Anything and there is any search term, right? Then it will work. So there is a search term and the selected shops length is not equal to 0. So if they are passing both results, then we are take both results, otherwise yeah, I think that is much simpler. So yeah, if there is shops and there is return value, then we are passing both thing, and that will work. Else if they have select, okay, no, I don't want to repeat the code, but so far it is working. Oh yeah, let's try that also. I don't think so it will work for now, but so if we have a search term, you know what, let's do this. Rather than saying it return value here, let's create another variable. search result is by default false, and we will set that thing as true at this point. So now what we will do is return value yeah, I can do it now here, right? And this will work. So return value will be, so if there is any search result, and they at this point it also means that they have selected shops, then we will pass both thing, otherwise we just return the shop result, and this should solve the issue. So if I click Superstore and it's not working, the result is false. Should be or no, it should be and, because if I selected that shop and if I try to search for Pepsi, it shouldn't return anything, right? This the search result should be false here. Let's log all three values. Search result and shop result. Superstore and shop result is true. Yeah, so that is working. Then it is showing the one product, and if I select both, then it is working as well. If I try to search something, oh, that is not working. Yeah, we need to update it with the regex, I guess. If there is search term and product name dot I will take a quick break. I will need to pee. Can't hold much better, and it will also it will refresh my mind as well. So I'll be back in just 5 minutes. So stay tuned just for 5 minutes. I'll be back soon. Hey everyone, I'm back. So first of all, if there is any search result and there is a shop result, so if the user has selected any shops and if they also have a search result, so for example, at this point we know that user has selected some shops, and if they have selected shops and we still have a search result which is true, then what we want to pass is oh, that's why it should be search result here. No, it's still not working. Search result is false, shop result is false. So search result is okay. Why is it false here for the first product? Oh, sorry, it's here. No, it's here. That's the first product. That's weird. Oh, sorry. Yeah. I just realized if there is. Oh, I can see this way. If there is a search term, then okay, that will make sense. Okay, yeah, nice. Now it is working. Good. So if I do fake and then try to search Coca-Cola, it won't work. If I try to do Pepsi, it is working. Nice. And if I selected both, and if I try to filter Pepsi, it is working, or Coca-Cola. Cool. Finally. I really needed that 5-minute break. It helped me to find the solution. Was it like is today's stream lagging or anything? Let me know, because I'm using bit different settings today. Okay, go to and how long I have been live? Oh, it's 2 hours 19 minutes. That's a long. Nice. Okay, and let's change this, let's change the variables names to which makes sense. Reduce result, and the B will be shop. Selected shop. Use the result there, and for b.id it will be selected shop.id. So remove the console log there. Yeah, so basically if user has selected shops and they also want to search something, then we are just making check that if there is search term, then we are combining both results. Otherwise, if there is no search term, then we are returning the result for the shop result. Okay, yeah, let me comment this code, because I don't think so I can remember this one when I will try to find it next time. Oh, also there was that regex thing. I forgot what was the exact code, but it was something like new regex and pass just pass the name. Just wanted to make sure that I am seeing what are the flags that will be passing. So if there is a regex called diet, dot match. Oh, is it not working? Oh, it's a test. It's called test. And if I pass Pepsi diet, which definitely won't work, because regex is equal to new regular expression. We'll pass diet into it and I guess. The regex dot taste Pepsi diet. True, yeah. Okay. Hey, Mr. PhD, yeah. Match takes the regex. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I was thinking a different way. So let's create a regex here. Cons search regex is equal to new regular expression. We'll pass the search term and we say that it's case insensitive. Search regex. And let's make sure that it is working. Say it filters things out. If I just try searching diet, it's not working. Why that would be? Like, I just tried that one here. I thought it's not, because I just tested it and it wasn't working for, like, by default it wasn't, I guess. Like if I just try this way. Watch, like, why it's not working here though? If I tried searching diet. Or should I, like, am I doing it other way? So should I like do test? Oh, I am doing it like, yeah, I'm converting them to lowercase, so yeah, I don't really need it. Both values are in lowercase. Yeah, it's not working. I did the same code, I guess, here, but it was working for me. Oh, it's not console log. And let's copy the code here. Let's see what we're getting if I just type T. Yeah, it is returning true for the last one. And we also have search term, so search result should be true. Oh, okay. Else the return so it means that, yeah, search term. Does that make sense? Yeah, that does. Okay, so if I just type diet, no, it's not working. It is, the search thing is working, for, well, like when shop is selected. So when shop is not selected, oh, it should not be search term, it should be search result. Okay, yeah, finally it's working. So again, just search Coca-Cola and diet. Let's try to add another product. Coca-Cola diet. Shop is superstore. Let's try different shops and click save. Go to shopping list. That it's showing both products. Nice. Let's just fix the styles for this one so that it looks better. Box, and let's go here. Margin top 16 pixel. Okay, and yep, that looks better. They can filter products and they can search it. Isn't solo opposite of, oh yeah, true, I don't know. Oh, it was like this one, okay. And if I add that one, then it will, oh yeah, let's just remove it. It looks much better without that thing. And is there anything called small or something? Small chips? Yeah, that looks better, I guess. Right? So yeah, almost everything is, like, not almost, like everything is done so far. We have shops. User can create and delete it. Admin can create users, and they have products now. They can they can change the quantity. Let's update it. 11, 12, and 22. Let's go to 15, 12, 1, and 11, 20, 28. Click save. It's been saved. Let's go to shopping list, and the values has been updated. Let's try to refresh the page. Go to shopping list. Values are there. Nice. Oh yeah, so the thing with that one is that I am using a CalDigit. Let me show you. Yeah, CalDigit TS3 Plus. So this dock has, that's really slow. So if you heard about this one, so this this dock has like all different disk ports, and in the back you can see there are more ports, and it's powered by, like, it has external power cord. So this thing, I connect it with my laptop with a single cable. Yeah, with just a single, like, this like single cable. It's a Thunderbolt 3 cable, and it connects, like, it basically it gives me all the ports, as well as it charges my laptop. So it's connected to that one, and I am using Ethernet right now. I am using, like, my keyboard, and this mic is connected to the one of the USB cables, and my external display is connected with this display port, and Yeah, so most of the, like, if I'm working on this setup, my laptop is charging more, like it's usually on 100% and it's continue charging. It's really good tool. Like, I right now I just have one cable and I can access, like, I can attach anything with my laptop and it just works fine. And the speed is also great, even though it has so many different IOs. It's really useful. Yeah, so finally on the stream 12 we have completed the project. Let's go to the to do and let's make sure that we have completed most of the things. Yeah, that's done. That is also done. Display error message on page. We don't really need to. You can just ignore it. Make sure that admin that's are secured. We have already done that. Views. Shops is done. Shopping manager, shopping list is also done. We just need to do 404. Yeah, we just need a 404 route and then everything is all like, then the project is done. Then I will reach out to the admin and I will try help him to set things up. Mr. Page is really hyped to make me use Veeam or something. You will have to say like slash redeem hydrate, I guess, and slash redeem. Let me open it in different browser. And the second was stretch, I guess. E6. Think I was logged in. Oh, it's not this one. It's Streamlabs. Huh, it logged me out. Okay. Let's go to CloudBot and loyalty store, I guess. Yes, you can find it store. Yeah, it's stretch, hydrate, and oh, what's the command? I totally forgot. Oh, it's on the next page. Yeah, exclamation mark redeem stretch, and hydrate is hydrate, and this one has burn in hell. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's just add that very quickly. We can just add a command, custom one, add command. Redeem list. It's a redeem dash list, and with the response I will just say that redeem remind me to stay hydrated. Oh, why it's not? Oh, I can't even do that. Okay, it wasn't allowing me to do a enter. So let's look at the, I think they might have some kind of command. Campbell 8 bowl slots, loyalty store, redeem allows user to redeem items. That's really weird. There should be a command to do that. Huh. I don't know. I might have to. Yeah, let's create it right now. Redeem dash list. Redeem hydrate, redeem stretch, and redeem run in help. Confirm. And it should work now. Yeah. 200, 200 and 5,000. Okay, let me also add that thing in the command so that everyone can see the points. Points, and for this one it's 5,000. I really love the integration, like Twitch integration for this point system. It's really cool when you are like, when you are watching some creator, you can easily contact with them, and it's so much fun on Twitch in compared to YouTube. YouTube really lacks some integration for live streaming. Okay, yeah, that's the list of our commands. I know it doesn't look good, but yeah, that's it. That's it for so far. Okay, yeah, let's look at our Discord, and this is very funny. Look at this one. The wolf is saying that how dare you make me spit my drink all over my keyboard. Okay, well, that's what you signed up for. Join this server. Cool, yeah, I'm really happy about this project, and we have finally completed this thing. And let's go to user and let's try logging with test. Oh, which one? Which is the latest one? John, right? Let's try to log in as John. John password. Okay, it's an invalid. Let's go with test. Okay, and they are just seeing this thing. They can update just the values, and that's all. They can search it. Yeah, and the default search is also good. I think it also uses the regex the same way we did in our shopping list product. I don't know. I think, yeah, Parth had a midterm today, so he might be busy. Is you can do, I don't know what you wrote at the end, but good thing about using regex expression. Oh yeah, okay, I got it. Yeah. I can do they might have some kind of validation there. Although I just realized they might also need a filter for shops here as well, right? For example, they are writing a order for superstore. They just want to filter it as superstore here, and they can just update the values. But if you try to do that, then it will break the products view, because the product views, let me show you, this input things are modeled to their quantities, and in our shopping list view that wasn't the case, because we are just reading the data, we were not editing or something. So I think they are fine. It's not like they weren't asking for some furnished product. It's just something that they can use to make it easy to find, make it easy to make it easy to manage their shopping list, and that's what we have done so far. Yeah, but I think they have like this default search had some kind of validation there. You know, custom one, yeah, we would definitely would be able to do that. What's that called? Upper arrow? Not sure. And then it will show the product that starts with P. Oh, okay. Oh, where? Did I missed it? Quantities. Oh yeah. I just realized it. It's funny. I know. Right, that will work, and it should be called quantities handler, not quantity handler. And let's just try it. Let's just make sure that it works by updating one product. Call it 16, save, refresh the page. It's still there. Nice. Oh yeah, it's called carrot. Yeah. So yeah, we have finally completed this project. I will show them this project and I will ask them if they want anything else. If they don't, then we can just I can just set up this instance for their own shop. Carrot, yeah. True. So yeah, I don't know what we are doing anything next here in the stream, but that's it so far. I am planning to do a stream maybe tomorrow night or maybe on Friday night, because like I have midterm exam on Thursday, which I can take like from 8, which I can take an exam between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So it doesn't like I can give an exam in the morning and then I can do stream in the night. But next stream in this week would be definitely on Twitch. I am not sure. I'm not sure what I want to stream on Twitch right now and what I want to do next on YouTube as well. I have quite a few designs that I have already done during my 100 days of design, which I failed. Basically, at that time I designed several different projects, and I would really love to build it on YouTube or / Twitch, whatever it sounds good. But yeah, so let's look at the first one that I created. So the idea of this projects was to build something that will help me to understand or learn one particular topic of web development. So there was this where is this one? Oh, it's this one. Let's make it full size. That's a play thing. Oh, it's right here. So, oh yeah, with this midterm is really easy. Especially it's the online thing, so they have made it really simple. Oh, it is real time, but it updates value for like every 15 minutes. So it might like the value get cached every 15 minutes. Oh, I also want to show that code also. Like I will also, what am I speaking? I will also do a small review on that overlay code. Maybe next time, yeah, I can definitely start working on the overlays. That will be good call. Yeah, the value gets cached, so that's why I'm using Redis for that one. It's local on my computer, but yeah. So that's my first design. It's just I wanted to learn the page loader, like how to add a page loader to a website. So that's what I am trying to achieve in this one. I also created a mobile version for this one. Then for day second, I created this drag and drop file upload. So basically, if you drop a file, then it will show data of that file. If you try to upload the text file, it will show the content. And if it is a different file, then it just say the preview is not available. And it was a design challenge, so I tried to make them look better. Yeah, it was a lot of text. There are kind of a design, so if you want to look at all the design that I have done in that challenge, you can like I wrote a blog for each of them. Oh, I got 22 claps, nice. Yeah, that's the last blog that I wrote on Medium. But yeah, you can find all the blogs here for each days that I have worked, and each of the blogs contains the link to design file, and as well as it also includes the images and everything. I tried to make it look better or look nice, but yeah, I will share it here. You guys can find those things there and let me know if I should continue with those with these projects. And yeah, that's it, I guess. I also created this one. It's just called a JS documentation. It was a part of free code camp projects. This one is also good. So it's just a screensaver. So website which acts as a screensaver. You can choose your emoji and type your custom text, and it will show up here. And it will also show the time, and it will be automatically dark mode if you have selected it, like from on the top. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's all for this stream. In the next Twitch stream, I might start working on some kind of project. I'm not sure if I'm still up to, like, if I'm still ready to start that large scale project, because I am planning, like I have already started working on my personal project, and I also have things like editing this shopping list video series, and I also need to start doing vlogs, which I'm gonna start when I start, like when I actually code or when I actually design something for my personal project. And yeah, I might just pick one project from my designs and we'll start working there, and that might work. Thanks everyone for tuning in. I might be back on Thursday. So have a great day. Take care. Stay at home if you can. And have a good night. Have a good day according to your time zones. And yeah, see you soon. Yeah, see ya, Mr. PhD. Bye.